Hello students, how are you? Everybody is fine and safe at home and studying your all your subject, whatever subjects has been given to you, whatever subject has been uploaded to you, all these things you are studying well. So moving back to our chapter, we have already come to the last part of our chapter. We have already finished about the Excel, the fundamentals of Excel, what are the uses of Excel. We have studied about the different type of cell reference. We have studied about the rows, columns, cell, everything we have studied about particular what is an Excel. Now we will study the last part of the chapter, that is chart. Now how we can create, I have told you earlier in the previous video that I will explain you the chart. The remaining part of this chapter is the chart. That how we will create a chart here. Should we create a chart? So what is a chart? What is a chart? A chart is a pictorial representation. Like whatever data we write, it is like of numbers. And in that data it's formed with a picture, which create a picture, that is called a chart. So a chart is a pictorial representative of data. Data means whatever numbers we show in an Excel sheet. When that numbers are shown in a pictorial form, that is called a chart. Charts are very useful to understand the data, especially when the data range is very large. लार्ज डेटा होता है तो उसको हम सिर्फ डेटा के द्वारा समझाना मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग अ चार्ट, दैट टाइम it is very easy to explain anything if the data is long. It is not necessary if the data is long or short. If we create a chart with the help of that data, it is very easy to explain the format. Like you have seen in many televisions also, when we are showing any data, it is showing according to the help of the chart, where the graphs is going up and down of the data. So it is very easy that which one is going up and which one is going down. Okay, so that is the use of the chart. So there are many types of chart we using. Mainly we use 4 type of chart. That is pie chart, represented by circular form, it is like circle. Line chart with lines. Okay, column chart is a vertical rectangular form, and bar chart, it is a horizontal or rectangular form. Okay, column is vertical and bar is horizontal. Okay, move. Main components. What are the main components by which a chart is created? The main component of chart is, first is data table. The format by which the chart is created. The base by which the chart is created. It is a set of values based on which the chart is created. Chart area. It is where the chart is created, within which all the components of chart are placed. The area where all the parts are placed. X-axis, it is a horizontal axis of the chart. It is sometimes known as a category of axis. Category. What type of category are taking? Category like if we are making the chart of any subject of a student. Okay. If we are creating any data of a state, how much rain is there, which state is having the rain most. Okay, this is the category. X-axis, it is a vertical axis of a chart. It is sometimes known as the values. Now numbers, where we shows the numbers. Okay, next is chart title, the title of the chart. What is the name of the chart? It is generally placed at the top of the chart, displaying the heading related to the chart. What is the name of the chart? It is a report card chart. It is a raining places of the chart. Like this, so many chart names are there. Axis title. It is the used to shows the corresponding axis, that is Y and X. Is representing the names of the subject, marks obtained, etc. Okay. Next is data level. It represents the information related to the data point of the chart. The bars, the lines which we shows, that is called the data level. And legend, it represents the different type of series of data. A unique color means it have different colors to shows the different points. Okay, if we have the same color, then it is very difficult to understand. If we have different colors, then we understand which one is higher and which one is the lower one. So it is a unique color of pattern is assigned to different data series so that it is easily understood by the user. Okay. So next is this. This is the chart. Now you can see the title. It is reporting the report of class 7C. Data table, data level, that this is the labels and numbers has been given there, that is the label. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and this is axis titles, the title subjects names are given, and legends, this colorful blocks which is given there is called the legend. Okay. You can see the legends. So you can see the data. I've already selected the data. First you have to select that data. You have to create this data and then you have to select the data. I've already created the data and I've already selected the data. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the insert tab. आपको insert tab में जाना है and you can see so many charts are there. Okay. In that I will choose the column chart. Okay. As we click to the column chart, it gives you so many patterns. Okay. You can see so many patterns are there. I choose a simple pattern. Okay. And click it. See, the chart has been created. As it is shown in your book, same thing it is showing here. See, this is the legends giving the names of the students. Okay, and here the numbers which they have obtained. Okay, like Anushka is here, the blue one is Anushka and red one is Arif. So Arif is more than Anushka, numbers are more than Anushka. So all the numbers has been differentiated according to the colors of their legends. And here the subject name and here the marks. So this is the x-axis, y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay, so this is the way we write. Okay, this is a chart which is created. Okay, like this the chart has been created. If you want to change the chart type, just right click on that. Okay, then here change chart type. See, here the option is there, change chart type. You click here, change chart type, and you go to the bar chart, or here only if you want to change any pattern, then you get that like this. I want this one. Okay, so you click there and click to OK. See, the chart has been changed. Okay, like this you can change the chart type. Okay, understood? So this is the way to insert the chart and this is the way to change the chart type. If you want different type of chart layout, then here you can change the chart layout. Okay, so most probably we have finished the chapter and I think we have understood. If you are having still some problem in that, then we will do a Google Meet after this. Okay, so Google Meet after this, so you can go through this video and understand, and I will send you the question answer. Okay, after finishing this chapter. So please go through this video properly. If you have any problem, comment on the comment box. And as we are telling you that the chapter has been over, so you we will have a Google Meet after this, and please collect your queries, whatever queries you are having, and we will solve that query in that Google Meet. And so stay home, stay safe, and thank you.